Hello everyone, my name is Firas Safih Bashir, co-author for this research. Title research is Numerical Commutation of Airflow over Iraq region. The abstract. In this research, analyzed the wind speed and direction and its effect by surface roughness. The study involved 34 stations over Iraq region. The highest value of wind speed was 6.5 meter per second in the least roughness. Introduction. Surface roughness is an important factor in the movement of the speed wind near the surface of the earth, as well as many physical factors. So, the impact of friction factor is ignored in the upper layer. Three forces that control controls wind movement: atmospheric pressure and strength of coriolis, and finally the friction factor is a third force that affects on the speed and direction of wind. On the surface of air, the effect of small objects in surface roughness outweighs the effect of large objects, such as hills and mountains.
I can learn to understand you much better if I can get familiar with the way you talk. I need your permission.
Surface roughness. This study was a major step in wind speed analysis and direction comparison with surface roughness over Iraq region. Description of a study area. Iraq was chosen for this study. It lies to the north hemisphere. Iraq lies in Middle East to the north hemisphere. Iraq has a subtropical climate, continental, dry, with a hot and in summer and cold in winter. With some precipitation in the center and south country, and more rain in north of Iraq, as shown in this map. In this study, it used data of wind speed and direction and surface roughness provided by EC. And this names of all the stations observed in Iraq region. Statistical use using MATLAB programming to read data for wind speed. So the final formula to calculate U of Z at any height wind speed you can use obtained from question 5. Result and discussion. The result were done in these figures show the wind speed and direction every 3 hours along a day. In figure 2, wind speed at 0 o'clock with direction. The height value was 2.9 meter per second and the lowest about 0.25 meter per second over Iraq region. And at 3 o'clock, the highest value of wind speed 2.9 meter per second, approximately 3 meter per second from north to at 6 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, with at 12 to at 15, at 8, 19, 18 o'clock, the wind speed, the lowest wind speed 0.7 meter per second, and the highest is 2. And at 9 p.m., the lowest was 0.24 meter per second, and the highest of 2.8. Surface roughness over Iraq, as shown in figure 10, represents surface roughness for Iraq region. Iraq can be divided into 4 different rugged regions. First region has a surface roughness range from 0 to 0.5 meter. 4. We can divide it, Iraq region, to 4 roughness surface. Surface roughness from 0 to this stage, Al-Anbar and Najaf and Al-Muthanna, with high speed. Finally, in conclusion, the result showed that the highest wind speed reached 6.15 meter per second for the less rugged areas, about surface roughness 0 to 0.5 meter, which are semi-desert areas, and the lowest wind speed 1.8 meter per second for the most difficult mountains areas. 2. This is my reference. Use this reference for this research, and thank you for all.